Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zapier to Project Management Tools Integration Hub, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Zapier to your Project Management Tools Integration Hub, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on the Zapier website. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located on the dashboard. You will be directed to the Zap editor, where you'll set up your automation. Begin by selecting your first app, which will be your project management tool. Search for and select the project management tool you want to integrate. Choose a specific trigger event from the drop-down list that corresponds to your workflow. Click on Continue to proceed after selecting your trigger event. Take a moment to connect your project management account by clicking on Sign into your tool. Follow the prompts to authenticate and grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your account. After connecting your account, choose a specific project or board you want to work with. Click Continue to configure your trigger settings. Test your trigger to ensure that Zapier can pull in data from your project management tool. Once your trigger is set up, it's time to select the Action app. Search for and choose the app you want to integrate with your project management tool. Select the specific action event you'd like to automate. Click Continue to connect your chosen action app. Follow the prompts to authenticate and allow Zapier to access your secondary app. Configure the action settings by mapping fields from your trigger app to your action app. Ensure all required fields are filled in correctly. Once everything is set up, click Continue to review your Zap. Test the whole automation to see if it works as planned. If the test is successful, give your Zap a unique name for easy identification. Finally, toggle the Zap to the on position and watch your automation run. Your project management tools are now seamlessly connected through Zapier, allowing for efficient workflow automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.